This is about the Andhra Pradesh Theatres row, where Pawan Kalyan has spoken on the entire issue, and he's put out a key directive for the industry. He's also ordered a probe into the theatre strike row, and he says that we must probe forces behind the theatre closure. What really is this story all about? What do we know? Our colleague Uma is fronting it, and she joins us live. Uma, first up, why don't you break down what is this controversy all about, and what have we heard from Pawan Kalyan?
Pawan Kalyan, as you know, is a very popular actor who turned politician, and he has been actually straddling both worlds. And Harihara Veera Mallu is going to be the first film that is going to be released after Pawan Kalyan became Chief Minister, and he is playing, of course, the protagonist, the title role in this particular film, and it is all set for release on June 12. What happened in between was that certain theatre association personalities seem to have put out threats that they are going to have a theatre band from the 1st of June onwards, suggesting that revenues that are shared by the exhibitors, by the theatres, needs to be increased. And this was seen as some kind of a conspiracy by certain people, because certain other people who belong to the Exhibitors Association and the Theatres Association had dissociated themselves from it. Allu Arvind, who is related, of course, to Pawan Kalyan, and he is also, of course, a very big producer. He had also said that no one can try and stop a Pawan Kalyan film from coming into the theatres or doing well in the theatres. And in the very long kind of a post that Pawan Kalyan has put out, what he has said is that he has made a reference to some 4 individuals and 2 producers who have said that they had nothing to do with it. So there is a talk of some kind of a political conspiracy that has happened to try and create certain kind of obstacles or hurdles in the way of the release of Harihara Veera Mallu. And 3 things have happened. Pawan Kalyan has very clearly said that producers or filmmakers or exhibitors need not come directly or should not approach anyone directly, and that they should talk through the trade bodies, whether it's the film chambers or other bodies that represent the film industry. And he, in fact, even called up A.M. Ratnam, who is a very famous producer and who's made, in fact, who's presenting the Harihara Veera Mallu film. He was about to take a flight to Mumbai, we were told, and at that time he got the call saying that do not approach me directly or do not approach individuals directly, approach through the film chambers. So 3 things that he's saying is, 1, that there is going to be a new film policy that is going to be coming in and that will address many of these issues. 2, he has spoken to Kandula Durgesh, who is in fact from the Janasena party and the Cinematography, Tourism and Culture Minister in Andhra Pradesh, and they launched an inquiry into what really had happened, who had conspired to create problems for the release of this film and other films that are coming up this month, quite big films, including Thug Life, as you know, that's releasing on the 5th of June as well. And a person who was a senior person in the Janasena party from Rajamundry is in fact the Rajamundry in charge person called Satyanarayana, A. Satyanarayana. He has been removed from the party and told that till it is proved whether he is speaking the truth or he had acted against the party or against the film industry or against Pawan Kalyan, that has to be proved before he can be taken back into the party. So big controversy, but the CM, Deputy CM taking quite a stern stance on it. Back to you.